A 27-year-old patient presents with an inability to draw the scapula or the shoulder blade forward and downward because of paralysis of the pectoralis minor. Which of the following would most likely be a cause of his condition? A. Fracture of the clavicle. B. Injury to the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. C. Fracture of the coracoid process. D. Axillary nerve injury. Or E. Defects in the posterior wall of the axilla. And the answer is C. Fracture of the coracoid process. This is because the pectoralis minor inserts on the coracoid process. It originates from the second to the fifth ribs and is innervated by the medial and lateral pectoral nerves that arise from the medial and lateral cords of the brachial plexus. The pectoralis minor is responsible for depressing the shoulder and forming the anterior wall of the axilla.